This is a first, guys. There is a duck, and it's a human, and the duck is trekking with him up to Mount Cising. So the duck is like judging me right now. I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? Is it your first time to see a duck on the trail? Yes. Yes, definitely it's my first time to see a duck on the trail. Wow, what a beautiful day. Hi guys. I'm here at the Lengshuikeng. I hope I don't butcher any of these Chinese names. I'm here at the Lengshuikeng Hot Springs, and I'm about to embark on a solo day hike up Qixing or Qixing mountain, and I hope I'm in the right spot. You know, I've been asking for directions, but unfortunately my Mandarin is like -3. So yeah, I'm gonna look at some signs and hopefully we get to the top of this mountain. So there are locals behind me, and I asked, Qixing mountain? And they just said yeah. They nodded basically. They didn't say yeah. Qixing main peak, east peak over there. Mount Qixing Trail. Signal here is supposed to be strong. Where to go? Up here. Pahinga ba tayo? Rest is for the weak. And what am I? Very weak. Ni hao. No. So this is the Menghuan Pond. It is a wetland of national importance. So there are several branching trails here. You just have to stay on the main trail. There are signs naman that you can follow. Otherwise you'd get lost. I mean, I think you can find your way if you were a local, or if you could read Mandarin, or if you're just used to the area. But for me, I'll just keep to this paved path. I was hoping actually to trek on some dirt, but you know, this will have to do for now. Let's see if it gets better, at least for me. Yeah. It's a rather warm day. I've been on the trail for about 1 kilometer now, and I was expecting it to be a bit more windy, a bit cooler, but this is like the perfect day. It's not too cold, not hot at all, just a perfect sweater weather, I would call it. I can see the peak now. There are people there on the trail. Look at this, so nice. Hi, hello, ni hao. Ni hao. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? From the Philippines. Yeah. Yes, of course.
Bye-bye.
I love Taiwan. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Hello. Take care, guys. So inunahan ko na yung mga tita na nagmamarites sa trail. Okay lang, mabait naman sila. They took a picture of me. Nice view. I can hear the crowd from here. Actually, I don't know if you see them, but they're crowding around some sort of a signpost. That's probably the East Peak. So ito siguro yung version nila ng AMC pero exclusively for seniors.
Hi.
Hello! Hello from the Philippines! Finally, I am here at the east peak of Mount Qixing. So this is the east peak of Mount Qixing here in Yangmingshan, and you can actually already see the main peak. It's behind me over there. There's another signpost there. So hopefully in like 20 minutes I'll be there. I'll just take a rest here and enjoy this tiny accomplishment. Okay. Alright, from one crowded peak we go to another crowded peak. Let's go to the main peak of Mount Qixing, and I can see that there's an even bigger crowd over there. So hopefully when I get there they've all gone down. So a policeman from Taipei just asked me about my drone, you know, and through a translation app he was basically asking if I registered. And the good thing is I am registered, so I was able to fly my drone. Sarap ng buhay ni Kuya. Oh look, may pogi sa trail. Hello. Oh, look at that. Hey. We're finally here. Mount Cising main peak. Hi guys, it's almost noon and I'm here on the main peak of Mount Cising. So the spelling differs sometimes, but here that's how it's spelled. Elsewhere it starts with Q and then X. This one is with a C and an S, but the pronunciation is more or less the same. Cising. No wonder people couldn't give me directions when I was asking, because I was pronouncing it incorrectly. But yeah, a lot of people here, some kids actually as well, several seniors, which is always like a great thing to see on the mountain. People who are much older than me still exercising, enjoying themselves. So I wish that if I reach that age, which is not, you know, not many years from now, I hope that I can still, you know, hike and enjoy just getting good exercise. So now from here it's all downhill, literally, because my vacation to Taipei is almost over. But from here I just go down, and then hopefully I can get the next bus to Taipei and have a late lunch. Whew. Now that I'm on the main peak of Cising, time to have a celebratory Sprite. Zero sugar. Alright, this is our trail, Xiaoyoukeng. So I'm going there. I'm going to say goodbye to all these nice people having their lunch. Ni hao.
Ni hao. Ni hao.
Ni hao. Oh, mabilis pala tayo. Dito na tayo agad. I smell something. That is the smell of sulfur. The vents are right along the trail, see? Large sulfur vent here, releasing all that sulfur into the air. I can smell it. The mountain is not burning. That is not a bushfire. That is one of the many sulfur vents that you find on Yangmingshan. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Guys, this is the look of achievement. I am finally at the end of the trail. So I decided to reverse the trail. I started from the hot springs and then ended here. So now the problem that I have to deal with is whether there's a bus. Okay, I have to check the schedule and see how much time I have left, but I'm very, very happy I did this trail. Took me less than 3.5 hours, but yeah, great exercise. A lot of really nice people along the trail. I got to fly my drone a bit, so I'm here. Salamat Lord that my legs don't hurt as much.